Hello. Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy Step by Step. Going over another GED HiSET type of standardized assessment question, and still working on some of the geometry portion of those assessments. Let's just jump right on into it. An isosceles triangle has the largest angle of 90 degrees. What is the measurement of the smallest angle? A, 40 degrees. B, 45 degrees. C, 90 degrees. Or D, 35 degrees. Now, I like to go over a test-taking strategy with you, and a lot of times you can eliminate one of those A, B, C, D options by understanding the test-taking strategies. All right, so when you can eliminate any of these options, that gives you an increase odds that you can guess the answer correctly if you don't know how to figure the problems out, because some of these standardized exams are timed. In fact, I believe they're all timed, and you have a certain amount of time to answer these questions. There is no penalty for guessing. So if you get to the end of this exam and there's maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes left, you got 10 questions, you want to go through and guess. Don't leave any of these questions unanswered. It's very, very important. You answer all of the questions, fill in the bubble, fill in the blanks for each and every question. Okay, that'll increase the odds that you might just guess a couple of answers correctly. So here is a test-taking strategy. Let's go ahead and take a look. So you need to understand, if you don't already, and I'm sure many of you do, that in a triangle, all of the angles, that's each of these inner corners of the triangle, all of these angles of any triangle will add up to 180 degrees. So, eliminate option C. Option C, you see, is 90 degrees. And I'm going to explain why. You can eliminate option C, leaving you 3 choices just to guess from in order to answer this test question correctly. So, cross off C. It cannot be 90 degrees. Again, all 3 of these angles will add up to 180 degrees. And if one of the angles in the question says is 90 degrees, and the option C is 90 degrees, well, 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. Okay, so eliminate it. Stick around in videos part 2 and part 3. I'm going to show you 2 methods that you can use. One is a visual method, and the other is an algebraic method that you can use to solve and find the correct answer for this test question. Hey, remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I have helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe to these videos. Math is easy, step by step.